own website?
Yeah, there's a couple. The first is making sales, and that's along with the trend towards the internet. E-commerce is a growing trend, and I'm sure it'll only get bigger in years to come. One of the great advantages is that you can sell to anyone, anywhere. You don't need them to live in your city and walk into your store. They can bring up your website. You can have a shopping cart they can order. You can ship it to them, and it's all done through the internet. It's cheaper than renting retail space, for sure. And depending on what you sell, you don't even necessarily have to keep an inventory on hand. You can create on demand, like you can print T-shirts or mugs, or you might sell ebooks, or you might sell, you might compose and record music. You can sell that online. You can, if you're a photographer, you can sell your photos. So there's just so many options for selling online, and it plays into the instant gratification culture that we live in, where your customers want something like yesterday as soon as they think of, like, hey, I need this. And so for them to be able to go onto your website and order it or download it immediately is really going to help your bottom line.
Yeah, so definitely we do live in an instant gratification culture, and you want to be able to survive in that culture, and definitely having an internet presence and your own website will give you those tools to support you in being able to do that. So there's another question I want to ask you. What should a business owner make sure they have on their website?
Well, for sure, if you have, you want a way for people to contact you, whether that's your email address or a contact form, or if you have an office, you want to maybe put your address up, your phone number, all that sort of thing. With the email, what I like to do is, one big problem these days is, as everybody knows, spam. And one giant way that spammers come by your email address is to find your email address online. So there's a couple ways around that. You can, instead of using the @ symbol, you can type out, you know, your name and then the word @ followed by your domain name. You can also, like I suggest to pretty much everyone I work with, is to have a contact form. And that way your email address is not even disclosed necessarily. It's just you submit the form and it goes to your email, and that's all transparent to the website visitor. Another way is to, rather than typing out your email address, is to use it as an image. And I use all three of these methods on my own site. If you go to mattweedendesign.com, you'll see at the bottom of every page my email address, and it lights up when you roll your mouse over it. But that's an image. It's not text, and so it's not something that a spam bot is going to be able to go in and read. Let's see. Depending on what your business is, you'll want to have examples of your work, testimonials from former clients, shopping cart if you're into selling things, a calendar of upcoming events. One big thing is going back to the making it clear what your business is. You should have a pretty clear picture of that on your home page by means of graphics and text combined. It should be very obvious as soon as you go to the home page, hey, this is what this person does.
Yes, because you only have 7 seconds to you only have 7 seconds to capture somebody's attention. And if you capture their attention at that time, they're gone. You lost them.
Right. Yeah, and that 7 seconds is getting shorter all the time, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. It is.
Something else that's good to have is to have a reason for people to keep coming back. So rather than just putting your site up and saying, okay, that's it, I'm done, I got a website. That was fun. You want to be constantly updating things. Maybe you have a blog on your site, or like I said, a calendar of events. Something that keeps changing and is different from day to day or week to week, where people will come back to your site again and again. Another useful tool for that is giving away freebies. For example, I do work with a management consulting company, and through their blog they post, hey, here's a great article I found, or here's an interview that I did with this expert in his field. Click here to download it or listen to it or whatnot. So really just giving people reasons to come back again and again.